Welcome to this episode of ProGrade Explained, where we're going to be talking about Refresh Pro and the health of your memory cards. My name is Wilson Chung, a local 600 DIT who has worked in the motion picture industry for the past 15 years. In my experience as a DIT and digital loader, I can tell you that the gold you capture is only as good as the memory cards it's captured on. So make sure your cards are kept in peak condition. The ProGrade Refresh Pro software is like a trip to the mechanic for your memory cards. With this software, you can either run diagnostics, check the card's lifespan, and thoroughly clean the card, thus optimizing its performance. Let me show you how it works. Refresh Pro is so easy to use. All you do is select a card and perform an action. There's 3 actions. Health lets you run a diagnostic of your card. And sanitizing lets you perform a full format, getting rid of fragmentation and restoring your card back to factory original condition. We're going to do both. Now all you have to do is click Start. Refresh Pro lets you know that once you sanitize your media, recovery of that data will not be possible. And that's it. After you're done, to get a quick look of the condition of your card, hover over the health bar, where you can see life remaining of the card, valid spare blocks, reallocated block count, average P&E cycles, and max erase count. It's as easy and simple as that. Memory cards today are made up of NAND flash memory, which is essentially blocks of tiny individual bits. In reality, when we perform a quick formatting camera, we're only clearing the file allocation table, which just keeps a record of which bits of that data makes up a certain file. Think of it like a map or a blueprint. The old data is still on the card, but the map to access it has been deleted. To completely clear the blocks of NAND flash memory, the formatting must be done in a Windows or a Mac OS environment. And Refresh Pro can perform this sanitizing function in a matter of seconds, compared to the traditional hour-long waits. Because of the proprietary technology ProGrade Digital puts into their software, it is only compatible with ProGrade cards that contains the R logo on the front label, along with ProGrade card readers. I hope this ProGrade Explained has added another tool to your digital workflow toolkit, so you can get out there and create with confidence.